Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to activate your Windows 11 step by step. So whether you just installed it or you are seeing an activation warning, here is how you can get it done the right way. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to click on this start icon over here in your Windows. Then you need to use the search bar here in the top and search for settings. Once you are here in your settings, you need to simply click on the option of system. In your system, you can just simply scroll down and try to find the option of activation here. So in activation, you will see the current activation status. It may say not activated or Windows is activated with a digital license. As you can see over here, for my Windows, it is showing me active. But in your case, if it is showing you the change product key option, you can just simply click on that, and after that you can type your 25 character license. Then you can hit next and then activate your Windows will verify it and activate if the key is valid. Now you can also use a digital license if you upgraded from Windows 10 or linked your license to your Microsoft account. You can click on the option of troubleshoot. After that, you can go to your Windows in order to detect your digital license and you can activate it automatically. If the activation fails for any reason, you can just simply open your web browser and come here on this page that is activate Windows, and here you can just take a look at this video, or you can also scroll down a bit and try linking your account with the help of these troubleshooting methods that are given over here. If you face any kind of problem, you can also contact to the Microsoft customer support team. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.